How to remove card from Temu. Removing a card from Temu helps protect your financial information. So first things first, I want you to head over to your Temu app, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll this down below or click the U button in order for us to see our profile. And then we're going to head over to the settings here at the top. After doing so, you have your payment methods here. Go ahead and click that one. So after clicking that one, you should be able to see here your credit or your debit card. You can go ahead and click the edit button here. After doing so, I want you to go ahead and scroll down or click this delete card down below, just like so. And then you can go ahead and just press it once more. Alright, and then you can go ahead and choose a reason why you want to remove it or want to delete it. I'm just going to go ahead and choose card expired and then click this one, just like so. As you can see, we have successfully done this one. And again, if you want to unlock a $100 coupon code, just go ahead and click the link in the description box or the comment section, or you can use my referral code to enjoy a special discount of 30%. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.